So yes, you read the title right. This UltraHuman Air smart ring has changed my life for the better, but not in the way that you probably think. So I'm sure you're all aware of what these smart rings are and what they can do. But there's things that they can do that I just never even thought about. So first up, UltraHuman did reach out, send this ring for free for review, but my opinions are my own and my own alone. No money was exchanged, and they're not the sponsor of this video, because the sponsor of this video is of course JLC. So before we dive in any further, let's unbox that smart ring and then we'll go into more detail of how it's changed my life. Now, one thing I didn't go over is the actual ordering process, because what they do is they send you some 3D printed rings with all the different sizes, and as you can see, I went for size 9. I just think that's a really cool touch, actually getting all the different sizes so you can basically test which ones you want. But as we open the box up, the ring is front and center. Now, need to let you know that I have been using this ring for about 6 weeks, so it does have marks and scratches on it, and unfortunately that does happen. Now, this ring is ridiculously light, so I just wanted to get the scales out and quickly show you that it's 3 grams. Now, it is absolutely jam-packed with technology and sensors, and of course there's a battery in there. If we have a look at my wedding ring, it's only 4 grams. So they've managed to pack all that innovation in this ring, and we can see it here. You can see all those microchips and sensors. Now, like I said before, I have been wearing this ring for about a month, and you can see all those light scratches and marks. That is just completely unavoidable, and that happens to all rings. Decode the science of your sleep and recovery. Powerful words. If you want to have a look at what it says on the back, just pause the video here. I'm not going to read it. Hello, cyborg. That's a worrying thought. We're all going to be cyborgs in the future. But this is just a user manual, the quick start guide, and etc, etc. We're not going to look at any of that. Here is the charging device, puck, whatever you want to call it. This is where you'll put the ring, and there is an indentation on the ring. That was me looking for it. There we go. There is a flat spot. And that will obviously charge the ring. If we get a USB-C cable, plug it in. So it seems that the light is purple when it's not charging, and then it starts like breathing white when it is charging. The last thing we have in the box says get wired, and this is just the USB-C to USB-C cable. It's very high quality, and yeah, it's actually a really good USB-C cable, so it's nice to see you get a good one out of the box. Now, of course, before we go any further, I need to pay those bills, so here's a message from today's sponsor, JLC. So JLC PCB will bring your ideas to reality. They will custom make your PCBs from as little as 5 to however many you like. Now, we do need PCBs for this project, but JLC PCB are fast, reliable, very competitive on pricing, and they can turn around PCBs within as little as a week. So currently they do have Black Friday sales going on, and we do need ESP32s for this board, so drag and drop your Gerber files across. It will tell you how many layers the board's got, the dimensions, and of course you can choose how many you want here, from 5 to thousands. You choose the thickness of the board, and you can also choose the color. Scrolling down, you can have the PCBs completely assembled, but for just the PCBs, it's $2.10. We don't want to pay $21 for shipping, so make sure you change that to Global Standard Direct. And as you can see, for $3.60, you can have these boards fully made, which is an absolute bargain. So for more information and the latest offers, check the link in the description below. So thanks again to JLC for their continued support. It is greatly appreciated. So how has this actually changed my life? So first of all, we have to go back to my childhood, because when I was about 14, 15, I started suffering from migraines. Now, the sort of migraines that I get are quite harsh and brutal. So first of all, I'll start getting blurred vision, so I can't really see very well. Some people describe this as kind of flashing lights in your vision, but that's how it starts for me. Then I get a headache, and it gets worse and worse until my body has just had enough. The pain is that bad. Basically, my body feels like it's been poisoned or something, and they end up throwing up everywhere. The whole thing lasts about 2 hours, and then after I've been sick, I do start feeling a lot better, but I normally have to go into a dark room and take a nap here. So it's not great. I've had it all my life. Now, according to doctors and experts, this can be caused by a lot of different things. And for quite some time, I thought this might have been triggered with dairy products like chocolate, cheese, things like that. But boy, was I wrong. How is it actually helping me with my migraines? Well, since I had the ring, I had a week where I had 2 migraines in 1 week. Now, this is unusual. Usually I'll have a migraine 1 month, and then it might be a couple of months I'll have another one, etc, etc. But I was browsing through the app, and I noticed that around the time just before I got the migraines, I had very high stress levels. So I did some research, and yes, migraines can be triggered by stress. So it is very plausible that what's happening here is the Ultra Ring is sort of identifying that my stress levels are high, and then of course that has triggered a migraine. So all I've got to do is not be stressed, and then I won't have a migraine. Now, that's obviously easier said than done, but it's something that I can strive towards to bring those stress levels down so I don't have as many migraines. Now, going back to this charging puck, it is quite small, and I just know I'm going to end up knocking it off my bedside table, so I need to do something about this. So I set out to make a really cool charging dock for my new Air Smart Ring, and what I decided to do is have one that has magnetic interchangeable face plates. And of course, we did get JLC 3DP to resin print this. So let's have a look at the design first. We'll jump on over to Fusion 360. Then of course, we'll get everything put together, set up. And of course, all the links will be in the description below, so you can go on Make a World and download this for yourself if you do have one of these smart rings or you're planning on getting one, because at the moment they've got massive Black Friday sales, the biggest sale they've ever had. And of course, everything's linked in the description below. I highly recommend this ring, and if you are going to get one, then you're definitely going to want to print off one of my docks. It's completely free, of course, as long as you've got a 3D printer. So let's jump on to my CAD software of choice, Fusion, and have a look at the design. So here's the design that I went for, and if we remove the main body, you'll see the rest of the components. We have that top piece, we've got a middle shelf, and then we have the bottom piece. Now, there is magnet holes for that top piece, so it will magnetize, and the bottom piece is going to be transparent, so RGB can glow through it, and we can see those 2 holes where the magnets go. And if we put the body back and get rid of the rest of it, we can see on the top that there's another 2 holes for the magnets. So that's basically how it's all going to go together. And we've got a USB-C port on the back of it, and that shelf will hold the ESP32 and the LEDs. So I'm really happy with the design, and of course you don't have to have RGB if you don't want to. It's always optional. So if you don't like RGB, then I guess it's not the end of the world. Now, we do have a package from JLC 3DP. Now, I have unwrapped them all already just to save time, but as we're getting them out of this box, you'll see there's a mixture of black resin parts and the clear transparent resin parts. Now, as always, I'm super happy with the quality of these prints. The clear, transparent ones really do look like glass, and then the black ones have a really nice matte finish. Now, the face plates themselves will go on something like this, but the magnets will be in there to hold it all in place. And of course, we have the black one as well. And we do have two different types of clear resin. If you have a look here, we have transparent on the right and translucent on the left. So basically one of them will let light through, but you're not going to be able to see the LEDs, etc. And the other one is just pure glass. Now, later on in the video, we will make up a black version and you'll see it with that translucent bottom, and it just looks so much better. The light bounces around a lot more and it just gives it a nicer look. So I guess we're going to have to start putting these together. Now, I'm going to speed through the footage here because, as always, we've got dedicated videos on WLED, the NeoPixels, etc, etc. So that's all we're going to be doing. We're going to be using a USB-C port, an ESP32 with WLED on it. We've got some magnets here, which we're just going to super glue in place. And then we're just using a USB-C ribbon extender, which you can take the ports off. I'll put links to everything in the description below, but for now, let's watch this time lapse of me getting everything set up. So there we have it, everything's put together, and as we plug the USB cable in for the last time, we can see it light up and it brings it to life. So let's have a look at those final results. So I'd love to know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Do you have one of these smart rings, and do you have a story to go with it? Because this was gonna be just a normal review of the smart ring, but obviously changed my life for the better. I thought, let's focus on that and the dock I've designed rather than just a generic review. So I think that about wraps it up for another video, but if you do enjoy my content, you know what to do by now. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future content. I'm JP, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.